what could be the possible results that prompted these people to move out?
I really do not know because nobody shared with me. So I said, I was also shocked. Leader of opposition going away. So then
Many say that this situation could have been avoided if Digambar Kumar was
No,
was made the party
See,
president at that time.
I am a strong believer in God. I always say, we think of something, God has something else. So nobody knows what is in God's mind. So tomorrow I do not know what turn all these things are going to take. Whatever it is. Now you can't be hypothetical that I would have been there, what would have happened and all like that. I was not there. That's the matter. But every constituency, Congress has fixed voters who will vote for Congress. That problem is not there. It is the leaders who have ditched the voters normally. See, you get elected on the Congress and then you leave the at any time. You are elected for 5 years. Actually, you are elected for 5 years. It is not that you are elected for 1 year, 2 years. You are elected for 5 years. But now this is the way things are moving. Then I think even the anti-defection law will have to be now redefined.
And how we have seen a
This is
difference.
what I said. Even I told openly in the meetings also that if something is written in my head, nobody can take it. But if it is not there in my head, however I may try, I will not get it. This is I accede to the present situation. I don't live in past, nor I live in future. That's what I said. I live in present. I am getting elected from Margam for last 25 years, in spite of all the drawbacks. People of Margam have been reposing faith in them. I can't let them down by taking any rash decision.
Last time you were ready to take over the reins of the party. If the responsibility is given to you by the party, are you willing to take it up?
I have not given thought to it because today we are in a situation